This is the date and time in the Garmin Furnace 620. And today we're going to ride the elevator at the Shipwrecked Brew Pub in Egg Harbor, Wisconsin. It looks like an Otis, either Newer Otis Series 2 or Newer Otis Series 4, which a lot of guys would refer to as Otis Series 7. So someone just took it up, so it should be coming down in a sec. Oh yeah, apparently this place has an elevator. Now before we ride the elevator, I'd like to point out something about this building that changed the historical aspect of it. This building was originally built in 1882 as a Kiwani house, but then was expanded in 1904 to make room for guest rooms and a dining area. After various ownerships to the building, it eventually became the Shipwrecked Brew Pub in 1997 and still served as a restaurant, pub, and inn. This is what the building exterior and interior looked like during the past several years. Although unfortunately, on Sunday, August 20th, 2017, it suffered an electrical fire causing the building to be torn down completely and lose its historical value. Luckily, the village of Egg Harbor was able to reconstruct the restaurant and restore some historical artifacts that survived the fire. In addition to that, a second floor was added on to provide more seating, including an elevator for ADA compliance. The Shipwrecked Brew Pub finally reopened its doors on Wednesday, June 27, 2018, and up to this day, this is what it looks like. Now that I mentioned all that, let's go ride the elevator. Also, look at this cool swordfish up above. And here it is. Alright, so now we're gonna head to the basement and rear. Oh, looks like they're locked. Guess we'll go to 2. Okay. Oh, sure, we're going down to the rear. The basement does not seem to be locked. The basement seems to be locked. But actually, isn't the rear going to open up or both sides? Okay, yeah. Looks like we can go to the rear. Well, now we're going to go up to 2. Oops. And since this call operation panel, oh, this is a HydroFit, cool. I can't believe I found a HydroFit, this is my very first one. So yeah, according to, since the call operation panel is surface mounted, it's a Newer Otis Series 2. So anyways, here we are up at 2. And here's what like the second floor looks like from here. So now let's head back down to the basement rear. Okay, really? Okay, really? It allowed me to go down there the first time I pressed it, but I guess now it's not allowing me to do so. Alright then, I guess we'll head down to 1 and 1R. Or just 1, because 1R is apparently locked. So anyways, let's get our cat view here. It's a pretty nice elevator. Looks fairly new. Anyways, here's your indicator up here. Here are your fixtures and your phone. So now we're going to watch the elevator close up. There it goes. And that's it.